This was our first cruise with MSC and Yacht Club, and we had really high expectations. The first disappointment was, of course, that there was no automatic doors, so getting into the cabin was quite a struggle. Then it was amazingly spacious, both the stateroom and the balcony. Sadly, the balcony was a disappointment because there was hardly ever any sun because of the overhang, giving shadow to the whole balcony all the time. And as you can see, getting out of the suite was also a struggle. The gym was actually one of the best we have seen on any of the cruise ships we've been on. It was spacious, it was a lot of new equipment, and yes, it was just wonderful. And for us, when we are cruising, the gym is very important to us. The outdoor area on the Yacht Club was amazing. It was spacious, there was always easy to get somewhere to sit or find a sunbed, and the pool area was also beautiful. The service at the cafe was wonderful, and the food choices was really good. And then you could access the rest of the ship through a small door and get into the ordinary outdoor area. And then you would meet this.
Thank you, DJ! Thank you very much. Okay, señores y señores, buenas tardes!
And then, when you get back to the Yacht Club, everything is so calm, and the lounge is a beautiful, calm place, always places to sit, wonderful service, live piano music, and then you have the restaurant just one floor up.
Tänkte få en pianospelare, känner jag.